Hello my dear children. So in the previous class we were learning chapter 4 in EVS, our country India. We had learned about several things in our country. We learned that India is called as Bharat or Hindustan. We learned that India got independence in 15th August 1947. You learned that the currency of our country is the rupee. And you also learned that India is a continent in Asia. Okay, those were the few things that we discussed in the previous class. Now let us learn about the national symbols of India. Which are our national symbols? Let us learn about our national symbols. What do these symbols represent? That is what we are going to learn today. Okay. So let us move on to the class. So national symbol, what do you mean by a symbol? A symbol is something, here if you see a symbol is something that represents a particular thing, isn't it? So national symbols means these are things that will represent our country. That means national symbols represents the love or a patriotic value of our country or the goal of our country or the unity of our country or the history of our country. These could be any things that represent our country. Those are known as the national symbols. And you know that these symbols will depict a value of patriotism in us, isn't it? That means a value of love for our nation. Those are the symbols that we have to learn today, our national symbols that will evoke or that will increase or that will show the love for a country. Okay, those are the national symbols. So let us learn about our national symbols. So when I tell you the term national symbols, the main important symbol that you have to learn is our national anthem, national flag and our national emblem. These are the three major symbols. Whenever we see those symbols, it will evoke a love for our country, isn't it? It shows the value or the rich tradition or the history of a country. So let us learn about our national anthem. First symbol that we have to learn is our national anthem. Okay, you all must be familiar with our national anthem. We used to recite or sing our national anthem in almost all important occasions, isn't it? That will evoke love for our country. Our national anthem is the Jana Gana Mana. Okay, Jana Gana Mana, and it was composed by Rabindranath Tagore. He was the one, here I have shown the picture of Rabindranath Tagore. He was the one who composed our national anthem. And we know that whenever this national anthem, our national anthem is recited, we have to stand in attention, we have to show respect and we have to sing along, isn't it? It is in order to show respect towards our national anthem. Okay, so it was composed by Rabindranath Tagore. Our national anthem is one of the major symbols, that is the Jana Gana Mana. Then the next major symbol is our national flag. Here I have shown the picture of our national flag. This is the next major symbol. You know that whenever the flag is hoisted, we used to stand in respect, isn't it? Without making any noise, in attention, we used to stand in respect. We even salute our national flag, isn't it? It is to show the respect for the national flag and to our country, to show the patriotic value to our country. So the national flag of our country is the next major symbol. And it is also known as the Tiranga or the tricolor. That means there are three main colors in our national flag. The main colors are saffron, white and green. These are the three main colors. So because of that it is known as the Tiranga. Okay, or the tricolor. The next is the national emblem. Children, in your worksheet, please write about your national flag and the national emblem in your worksheet. It is not given in your worksheet, but it is important. Okay, then the national emblem is the lion capital of Ashoka. Okay, lion capital of Ashoka. You could see 4 lions. Here you can see 4 Asian lions, so the Asiatic lions that are mounted on an abacus. Okay, and I told you there are 4 lions because one is at the behind. Okay, one lion is at the behind. When you look at that picture, one lion is at the behind. So in this picture you could only see 3 lions. So there are 4 lions that are mounted on an abacus. This is our national emblem. We call it as the lion capital of Ashoka. Okay, lion capital of Ashoka, or simply you can call it as the lion capital. Okay, and you could see this emblem on almost all government documents like the stamps. Isn't it, like stamp papers on government seals, on the Indian government seal, you could see this emblem. Okay, this is our national emblem, that is our lion capital. So the 3 major ones are the national anthem, the national flag and the national emblem. Please see that you take it down in your worksheet. Okay, please note it down in your worksheet about these 3. Okay, now let us learn about our national song. Other than the national anthem, there is also national song. Okay, national song was composed by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. So he was the one who composed the national song. The person who composed this national song, that is Bankim Chandra Chatterjee, and our national song is Vande Mataram. You all must have heard that song. Vande Mataram is a national song and it was composed or written by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Now let us learn about our national animal, our national bird, our national tree, our national fruit, etc. Okay, let us move on to that. I hope this is clear. So, national anthem was written by Rabindranath Tagore. It was composed by Rabindranath Tagore. That is the Jan Gana Mana, and the national song is Vande Mataram, that was composed by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Now, let us see which is our national animal, bird, etc. Our national animal is the tiger, or you can say it is the Bengal tiger. This is our national animal. Then our national bird, it is the peacock. National bird is peacock. Then our national flower is lotus. Lotus is our national flower. Then our national tree, it is the banyan tree. Here I have shown the picture of the banyan tree. Then our national fruit, that is mango. Then our national game is the hockey. Okay, national game is the hockey. So I will repeat it once again. National animal is tiger. National bird is peacock. Then the national flower is lotus. The national tree is the banyan tree. Then the national fruit is the mango. Then our national game is hockey. Then our national currency, or the money that we use, the symbol for that is rupee. Okay, this is the symbol for rupee. This is how rupee is written, and our national currency is rupee. Okay. So, I hope this is clear to you. So, which are the symbols that we learned? Our national symbols, we learned that our national symbol, one is our national anthem. Our national anthem was written by Rabindranath Tagore. It is the Jana Gana Mana. Then you learned about our national flag. National flag is the Tiranga or tricolor, as there are 3 colors. Then the national emblem, that is the lion capital of Ashoka. Okay, then you learned about the national song, that is Vande Mataram, which was written by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Then our national animal, it is the tiger. Tiger is our national animal. National bird is peacock. National flower is lotus. Then national tree is the banyan tree. Then the national fruit is mango. National game is hockey. And the national currency is rupee. So this is about our national symbols. Okay, I hope this is clear. Now let us move on to another topic, that is about our national language. You know that our national language, our widely spoken language in India is Hindi, isn't it? Hindi is the widely spoken language, that is throughout India, the national language is Hindi. And our official language, okay, official language is English. You all know that English is our official language. Okay, that is not coming under the national symbols. It is just for you to learn. Our national language is Hindi and our official language is English. So I hope this much is clear to you. Now let us learn about the religions in India. Okay, which are the religions that are followed by Indians. You know that children, India is a diverse country, isn't it? India is a diverse country. Okay, there are many rituals or customs that are followed in India. One is different from the other. And people used to follow different religions, isn't it? Even though people follow different religions, we all live in harmony, isn't it? We all respect each other's traditions and customs and values. At the same time, we respect each other, isn't it, children? So let us learn about the religions in India. Which are the major religions that you see in India? Okay, in India, people follow mainly 4 major religions. Okay, only the 4 major ones are discussed in your worksheet. The first religion is Hinduism. It is one of the religions that people follow. Okay, Hinduism. The ones who follow Hinduism are known as Hindus. And the place of worship of Hindus or Hinduism, the place of worship, you all know that it is the temple. The next religion is Islam or the Muslims. The ones who follow Islam religion is known as, those people are called Muslims, isn't it? And their place of worship is the mosque. Then the next religion is Christianity. Christianity, their place of worship for Christians is the church, isn't it? The church. You could see the picture over there. Then Sikhism is another religion and we call them as Sikhs. Okay, Sikhism. And their place of worship, the place of worship for the religion Sikhism is the Gurudwara. Okay, here I have shown the picture of Gurudwara. Okay, these are the 4 major religions that are followed by Indians. Even though there are many people who follow different religions, we all live in a harmony and we should respect all religions, isn't it? We should respect each other's values, traditions and customs. Okay. So children, I hope that this section is clear for you. Please read your worksheets and do the activities that are given in your worksheet. This is given, the religions and the place of worship is given as an activity in your worksheet. So please fill it up in your worksheet, the religion and the place of worship. Okay, I hope this is clear. So thank you children.